Tivoli Friheden is a popular Danish theme park that opened in 1958. They have recently announced that they will be getting a Gerstlauer Eurofighter called Vindfald in summer 2024. The ride experience will begin with a 23-meter or 75-foot tall lift hill. Then there is a beyond vertical drop, which is followed by a loop and then a corkscrew later in the layout. The coaster will have a top speed of 45 miles per hour and the total track length will be just over 300 meters, which is about 1,000 feet. The park have said that they neither can nor must make the world's longest coaster, but it does not mean that we cannot try to make the most fun one. Vindfald will replace Cobra, the park's Sartori Rides inverted coaster that operated from 2008 to 2022. Unfortunately, there was an accident last year that killed one person and injured several others after the back car derailed. The park chose to work with Gerstlauer for Cobra's replacement because they have made some fantastic roller coasters. After the accident on Cobra last year, the park also wanted to prioritize safety with their new ride. Their CEO, Henrik Ragborg Olsen, said that not a day goes by without us thinking back to the accident. Therefore, it has of course been absolutely crucial for us to find the right business partner with many years of experience and a well-documented track record. Vindfald will be Denmark's second Gerstlauer Eurofighter, with the other one being Vildsvinet at Bonbonland. It should be a good standout coaster for the park that will attract more visitors to the area. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more theme park videos. Hit that brake run.